Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start as admin, open command prompt and verify what you have. Run Java version so you know the baseline and where Java points. Once done, confirm Winget exists by running Winget version. Winget is the only supported installer method here. If Winget is missing, enable app installer in settings first. You need admin rights so installer can update system path and set Java home for all users. This prevents future path conflicts and ensures system tools find the new JDK. Now you install the JDK with Winget so the entire process stays in CMD. First run Winget search teamurin or Winget search open to pick a specific vendor and version, choose the exact package ID. Then run Winget install EID Eclipse Adoptium. Teamurin. The E flag ensures exact match. The install is unattended, but you may see prompts for agreements. Watch the console for completion messages. This method replaces manual GUI steps and guarantees the package registers with Windows automatically. Once installation finishes, you must set Java home and ensure path points to the new bin. Use setxm Java home c /program files /eclipse adoptium /jdk. With the real installed folder, then setxm path %Java home %bin, so new shells inherit it. After that, open a new CMD window and run Java version and echo %Java home % to confirm. If Java still points to old JRE, make sure no other Java.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.